Huh. Hi-ya. Huh. This is karate, karate. Stand for karate, karate. Punch for karate, karate. Huh, huh. Oh yeah, karate is so much fun. Punch, punch, punch. Punch, punch, punch. Don't worry, practice will make you good. Very good, kids. Remember, karate keeps you healthy, safe, and strong. This is karate, karate. Huh. It keeps you strong and so healthy. This is karate, karate. That's right, now follow along with me. Now can you punch for karate? It keeps you strong and so healthy. That's right, now follow along with me. Downward block. Downward block. Don't worry, practice and you will see.